Hello and welcome to Inventiva. Team Inventiva hopes that you all are in good health and following the COVID protocols of your areas. Today I am Raunak Soni back again with a fresh cover story. If you are watching this right now, this might be your ultimate chance to protect yourself from cyber fraud in the time of COVID-19. As India grapples with the second wave of coronavirus, cyber criminals work overtime to profit from the crisis. Many fraud cases include vaccines, donations, etc. have already become an epidemic in a pandemic. This is no different of last year when as the bank official cyber criminals bid a fee for the loan moratorium. In fact, fake handles for the PM cares. Consider the fact that according to a Norton Cyber Safety Insight report by cyber protection company Norton LifeLock, almost 120 million individuals suffered from cyber crimes between February 2020 and 21. This year, it could get worse as possible continue to work out as online resources more often. The penetration of internet banking has grown. Mobile banking transactions are increasingly also in rural areas. However, cybercrime awareness has not persisted, which makes many target easy, said FIs, a technology firm that focuses on the financial services market. Bharat Panchal, Chief Risk Officer of India, the Middle East and Africa, there have been new centers in cybercrime. Gangs are now working out to Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Mewat in Haryana, etc. Like the notorious Jamatra in Jharkhand actively examining the new ideas for scams. So here are some of the recorded frauds and ways to defend yourself. Testing of coronavirus. Yes, laboratories are unable to keep up with the need for testing as the number of COVID cases has grown. The clogged system is being used by cyber criminals. There have been reports of people looking to testify online with the unknown laboratories that later turned out to be scams. The con artist also pays a visit to the victim's home to retrieve the sample. According to Panchal, they just don't file a report or send a bogus one later. So what to do to take care of yourself? Make an appointment with the lab that has been approved by the Indian Council of Medical Research. If you come across a new lab, look up to it online by typing the business name, following by the word fraud. According to Prashant Mali, a Mumbai-based cybersecurity expert, there's a fair chance that victims would have posted about it on social media. Charities and donations. People are asking for help on social media. Many people have taken the initiative to help those in need, and they have asked their followers on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to donate if they want to. Cybersecurity analysts cautioned that cyber criminals can be able to forge those documents. Scammers stole data while claiming to be politicians who wish to watch the success of those who had been vaccinated programs and solicit donations. There are more potential cybercrime victims today than at any number of the time in the history of Indian subcontinent. There could be just one wrong click and all of your life savings are withdrawn. There could be just one download and all your personal data leaked. By no intent, I want to disregard technological development. All I want to convey is that by the means of this piece of cover story is the dire need to be more and more awake. Cross-check everything so that nobody is able to prosecute your timidity for their own selfish gains. And because you are here watching this, you are an avid internet user and thus a potential cybercrime victim. So please safeguard yourself, take up arms, learn and teach others around you as well. So this much for today's cover story. I am Raunak Soni and I'll come back again. Till then, keep watching Inventiva.